Hello, welcome to RPA Solutions. We are starting this video series to ensure that we'll be teaching you all the tools and techniques whichever is required to do your work more efficiently and reduce the repetitive work which you may have to do. Okay. To start with, let us learn the Microsoft 365 suite of products, which ranges from Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, etc. So we will be teaching you how to use it as online, which is a free version which you can easily access if you're having a Microsoft account, as well as the desktop version, which is having more features which you can use more effectively. In addition to that, let us also learn about Microsoft OneDrive, which is a free software which can be used to store all your documents and files online and can be accessed anywhere you like. It may be in your desktop when you are traveling or on the mobile while on the move. So, Microsoft OneDrive is not only a file storage software, but it also provides a lot of other features. So, every document what you create is stored as versions. So, whenever you are changing the document, multiple versions of the documents are being maintained, and you can easily revert back to the previous version of the document whenever you need. And similarly, if you want to share the document with any of your colleagues or friends, you can easily share it. Another advantage of the Microsoft OneDrive is the facility of autosave. That is like I know there are so many people, including me, who work on a document for quite a long time, but we forget to save the document. So if you're closing the Word application or if your machine is shut down due to power failure or any other reason, there are chances that you may lose a lot of work which you have already done. The OneDrive, if you're keeping the document in the OneDrive, there is a facility by which like you can enable auto save, and every few minutes or progressively whenever you are editing the document, it is saved automatically so that you are not losing any of your work accidentally. Our intention is not to teach you simple things like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., but progressively we'll be teaching you everything you need to automate your work and make your life simpler. There are so many tools available with Microsoft like Power Automate, Power Pages, and Power Apps, another thing, which are intended to be developed by simple users, not necessarily that you need to be a technical fundo to use all these applications. So to start with, let us start with Microsoft 365 products from Word, Excel, etc. And progressively, we will be teaching you how to use the Power Automate, Power Apps, etc. Okay, so let us begin our first course, which is to prepare ourselves to use Microsoft Office for free. If you're already having a Microsoft account or if you're having already the Office license, then you can skip it. So this is for those people who are very new, who do not have any account with the Microsoft and they want to use Microsoft Office products or Microsoft 365 products for free. Okay. So let us open your browser. It may be Google Chrome or it may be Microsoft Edge. So and search for Microsoft 365 and you will find the following result. Click on Microsoft 365 login, see what next. And if you go below, if you're already having a Microsoft account, you can just go to the sign in and you can log in through that. Or if you don't have it, just go for sign up for free version of Microsoft 365 and click here. So it will ask you to create an account, which you can give any of your email ID, which you are already having. For example, I am giving something like outlook.com. Okay, next. So if this account is already having, of course, it is me only. So let us create other something. Muttaraj1234 at outlook.com. That's also is taken by already. Okay. Okay. So let us create a new password. Let it be strong password. Okay. Next. So you need to choose in which country you belong to, and let us select your date of birth. So I'm from India, so I'm choosing India. Maybe you can choose whatever your country may be. Okay. So let me just reveal my age. So it takes some time. So let me press next. Let's wait for some time. It takes some time to process your request and create your account. Okay, so Microsoft want to know whether it is a robo which has been created or whether it is a person who has created. So it is asking for a puzzle. So let us resolve this puzzle. So it is asking for some some privacy notice. So let us say okay. Okay, so let us stay sign in for some time. Okay. So this finishes the process of creating a Microsoft account, which can be used for using all the Microsoft 365 products. I think it is easy, I believe, right? So once your login is completed, like it shows all your subscription. So it's giving an option for you to buy Microsoft 365, which you can buy as an individual user or it can be used as a family. I do have a family account which is having five different email IDs. Both me and my daughters are using it. Okay, so let us go here. If you click on the dots, which is available in the left side of it, so you'll be able to know all the Office 365 products which you can use for free. If you are a Windows 11 or Windows 10 user, you can access Office 365 or Microsoft 365 through another way. That is simply you just go to your start and press Microsoft search for Microsoft 365 Office, which opens a window and displays all the icons which are related to the apps which are available for you to use online. So it has Word, Excel. For example, this is in my system. It is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, and you click on this hamburger icon. It opens all other things whichever is available. Okay, and if you press the apps, it provides the same thing in a different view. And if you want to create a new Word document, just press the word and you can create. So what we will be doing is stopping this video now, and tomorrow we will learn about how we will use the Word document and how to do the formatting, styling, everything in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.